experiment 2 is done. So you're gonna get to see the wheat cake. Woo! You're gonna get to see your wheat cake. And this is it.
Yeah, I'm filming, asshole.
This is our wheat cake. Well, physically it seems nice, but
It seems right.
we haven't tasted that yet. But we're gonna see how it's gonna taste.
Yeah.
This is our wheat cake. And,
So now it's finished?
it's finished. You wanna say something, Edwin?
Yeah, okay, take the camera, please. Okay, fool. Okay, this has been really an exhaustive experiment. Has taken so many time. We have to make it twice because, we are not perfect. We are working. So, and this is the kind of experiment that takes so much time, and it's just between process, we have to learn how to not do it, and then when we learn,
You guys wanna say something?
Can I test?
This is Salvesta, she's from Kenya.
and she wanna taste how is the
But
cake.
no, you can't taste it until it's ready.
Stretch.
Oh,
Yeah.
the cake is so good.
Hello!
So, do you hear that?
Thank
People
God.
say that it's really good.
So yeah. Okay, the second step we're gonna try to take it up, but then that's the big part. We don't know if it could come out because it probably stick to the bottom. Proseguimos en este experimento y tuvimos que hacer un pastel de huevo. Y físicamente se parece que está rico, pero no sabemos.
La apariencia engaña.
La pareja engaña. Entonces, cámara y cut.